Oh, hi. Welcome. Come into my office. Come. This is my office and the place where I have been able to safely and sanely work throughout this whole pandemic mess in 2020. Today, I am giving you a tour of my office because I am actually moving out, and I asked you guys on Instagram what kind of video you wanted as the last video of 2020 on this channel. You guys voted for an office tour. I have never given one, so here we go. My office is divided in 3 spaces actually. So behind me, you can already see the desk space and the storage space. Then we have the shooting space, or the kind of studio space over here. Honestly, this is the first time in my life that I've had this kind of space, particularly for shooting. I noticed that, especially living with a flatmate, it's not convenient to constantly have to shoot in the living room or in my bedroom. So when I got an office, I was also very happy that there was enough space here to shoot and actually also edit here. That happens at the desk area, but I'll show you more of that in a minute. Initially, I had this big bulky couch here because this room is incredibly echoey. I had to buy a rug also to make the sounds a little bit better, but I thought the couch would also be good. It wasn't. It was just very bulky. It was not making the sound better. And what I found out, having a shooting space for the first time in my life, was that it's actually better to have a lot of mobile things, so you can switch up your decor quite a lot. These white tables I've had from my first apartment here in Bangalore since 2018, from the top of my head, back when I used to live with Nishta. Actually, I think these tables were the first thing that I bought for home decor here in India. There are a lot of memories attached to these tables, and I don't think I will get rid of them easily. Also, I think they're very beautiful. So when I found out that this couch was so bulky, I decided to get this clothing rack. 1010 would recommend it. I will link it down in the description below. It is so versatile. This allows me to really showcase my clothes, make outfits, but also allows me to make the decor more seasonal. So right now we are in the holiday season, so I will have golds and some sparkly things hanging here, a very fluffy coat. But then in summer, obviously I will have a little bit more flowery things. Actually, these paintings or these printables are also from Amazon. I also ordered them to put them up the wall in order to make the sound a little bit better. But then there was a lockdown and I couldn't even get somebody here from Urban Clap to hang up those paintings, and actually I think they look quite cute this way. Then we have Dolly here, my house plant, my one and only plant, and I see that I need to water her. Dolly has been such a joy in my life. She is such a happy plant. I can actually see a new stalk growing here. She has become such a big girl since I bought her for the first time back in February. I bought her actually at Home Center, and also this planter is also from Home Center. This candle is actually very dear to me because every year when I would go back to the Netherlands, I would buy this one, which is gingerbread from Zara. This year I couldn't go back for the holidays, but luckily I had quite a lot of candle left. Then these elephants, they were quite pricey at Home Center, I have to say, but I love elephants so much and I just had to get them. To be very honest, I am not that good at home decor. One of my best friends, she is an absolute star, so she really helped me to put this together. One thing that I did notice makes a huge difference in decor, and I was not aware of that before at all, is pillows. Actually, not the pillows, just pillow covers. So for instance, having such a fluffy big white pillow, it just gives a whole cozy vibe off. And then obviously these pillow covers that I got from Diwali with the deep rich green and the gold, they give such a rich vibe. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I have discovered this year that one of the easiest ways to change up your decor is to just change up your pillow covers, and that is not expensive at all. Now this is where the editing magic happens. I've had this MacBook Air for 7 years now. I bought it in 2013, even before I posted my first video on YouTube. So this MacBook Air is also very dear to me. I understand that I should be buying a new one, but no. I love my MacBook Air too much. The one thing that I should have bought way sooner is this little gadget. So it's actually a port for SD micro SD, and you actually get 3 extra USB slots on this one as well. It's only one USB plug and you get so many extra different slots. I just got it on Amazon for I think 300 rupees. Oh my gosh, already one of my best buys of 2020. 10/10 would recommend. Then on my table I have this candle from Bath and Body Works. It just makes things a little bit more cozy. Then I have a quote here: you get what you pitch for, to remind me, ask for whatever you want and go after it. So for me, that is a reminder. I also have this cute little doll here, which was in the Conrad Diwali package. Then a picture of my grandmother, 2 pictures actually, to again remind me to work hard and to make her proud. I think I got most of my confidence from my grandmother, because she just believed that I was the most awesome human being in the universe. And my grandmother is always watching me, so I'm very conscious of that, and I really always want to make her proud. Then I have some pictures here. One is from Gateway of India, because Mumbai is my favorite city in the world, and one of Amsterdam, because obviously Amsterdam is my home. The silver play button for achieving 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, obviously again also to remind me to keep working hard, to keep dreaming big. I never thought that I would be where I am today, and yeah, this is just a reminder that you shouldn't limit yourself. Maybe life has way bigger plans for you than you can ever imagine. So that's also just a reminder. This is also one of my first decor pieces that I bought here in India. So again, very dear to me. I have a Gampati over here. He's also the god who helps you with solving problems. Especially sometimes when you are editing, every single YouTuber knows this. Technology will sometimes make you want to rip your hair out, and then I'm very happy to have Gampati with me and not rip my hair out. This drawer is super messy, so I'm not gonna show you too much of it. Basically, it's just like all the messy things that I have, I just do like this and put it in a drawer. I am semi-organized, I would say. On the surface, I want everything to be organized, because otherwise I can't work. But behind closed doors or in drawers, we just close it. Next to my desk, there are 3 closets, well 2.5 actually. In this closet, again, super messy, so please don't mind me. There is a lot of things that I use as decor pieces, so you will recognize some of the things that I used for the Diwali decor. Let me just move this chair. This one came with a table, and if you watched the vlog where I replaced it with the IKEA chair from Amazon, you know that I have a massive issue with armrests. I cannot handle. A lot of my travel stuff is in here as well. I like to have all of my travel stuff in one place, so whenever I'm traveling, I only need to open up one drawer. And I also have all the super winter stuff in here. This closet, which has all my jackets. I have a lot of my Western clothes here, which might be a little bit too revealing for India. Then the bottom drawers of this one are all technical equipment. So my drone is there, extra cameras, which are broken by the way, so it doesn't matter. I have an extra microphone, I have a camera bag. Basically all the technical stuff is in those 2 drawers. So again, it's messy, but whenever I'm looking for something, I know it can only be in those 2 drawers. That kind of keeps me organized. Then we have this last closet here, which is for the really dramatic clothes. We got sparkly stuff over here. We got shiny stuff over here. So basically everything that I need to shoot and edit videos is here. Happy New Year, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to put a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.